So in this video, we are going to talk about cryptography. So it's a very important term that we use in cybersecurity. So let's discuss what it is. So cryptography is basically the science, or some people call it the art of hiding information from people who are unauthorized, right? So what will you have in cryptography? So there are specific terms and operations that I'm going to talk about. So the first thing is called plain text. Plain text is your original message, right? So if you say hello, hello is going to be your original message. Then when you have to send this message and you have to make sure that no one can read it or no one can understand it, you will convert it into ciphertext. Ciphertext is your encrypted message. The way we convert plain text to ciphertext is through encryption. Encryption is the algorithm or the process through which we are going to perform this conversion. Now, when you as a receiver receive this encrypted message or your ciphertext, how will you open it? You will open it with your decryption algorithm. You will take the ciphertext, run it through your decryption algorithm, and you will get the plain text. But throughout this process, you will require a very important component, and that is the key. So just like in real life, when you lock your packages or bags with the help of a key, similarly in cryptography, we have a key, right? So that key is going to help you encrypt and decrypt data. Now, cryptography is of two types. So the first type is known as symmetric key cryptography, where you use the same key for the whole communication. So if you have a sender and a receiver, both of them are going to use the same key. But the biggest problem is sharing of this key. So what if someone compromises the key in between? Or let's say I, as an attacker, I steal the key from the sender, then automatically and obviously the receiver's end will also be compromised. So to tackle this problem, we use asymmetric key cryptography. In asymmetric key cryptography, we use a key pair. So we use two keys. One is known as a public key. The other one is known as a private key. So you must be thinking, how do we use these keys? Now, these two keys in asymmetric key cryptography have two different use cases. One, in which we are going to encrypt the message with the public key and decrypt it with the private key. And on the other hand, the other use case is where you encrypt the message with the private key and you decrypt it with the public key. So how will they work? In the first case, the receiver is going to generate the keys. The receiver would keep the private key with themselves and give the public key, their public key, to the sender. This way, confidentiality will be ensured. In the other scenario, where I, as a sender, will generate the keys, I'll keep the private key with myself and give my public key to the receiver.